A chiropractic adjustment for an infant or a baby is incredibly gentle and really one of the more important adjustments that you can receive in a lifetime, because that adjustment helps to set up the baby for a healthy spine and nervous system really throughout their life. An adjustment for an infant is really about the amount of pressure that you would comfortably put on your eyeball. And then as the child grows, of course, that changes along with the child's growth and size. Some of the main things that a mom would bring their baby in for a chiropractic adjustment would be, number one, if they've had a hard birth process, this can create tension and misalignment in the spine and nerve distress. Additional reasons would be if their baby has a tight neck on one side, or they're noticing that the baby strongly prefers to nurse on one side or the other and doesn't like to turn their head. Or also if your baby's experiencing a lot of spit up or stomach distress, chiropractic is excellent for all of those things.